Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing the top 5 books for young investor guys. So, you might be first year college, you might be school student, you might be aspiring at how to invest in stock market, mutual funds. So, these are 5 books guys. To grow financially, you can use these books for your help guys. So, might be asking, there is a need of reading books or can I watch videos guys? So I prefer read books a lot guys, because if you watch video you won't be getting like imagination power, so you will be just watching those videos as a class. So even in class you will be just watching your teachers lectures. It's going to help, it's not going to be helpful for you guys. So instant, if you read a lot you'll get imagination power improve. So you can even like let's say if you're reading one book you will get some kind of ideas over there, so you can invest those ideas into another manner guys. So it's going to be helpful for you today guys. So that's the reason I want to share this video guys. So let's get into the video guys. The first book I want to share with you guys, the book on rental property investing guys. So basically the book covers about the buying and selling apartments and flats guys. So especially in the United States, so people used to spend much more amount on buying apartments. So once they brought apartment, they will be giving rent for the pubs and weekend parties guys. They will be earning extra bucks out guys. So basically in this book he will be covering about the property, rent, and deciding between property and renting. So what kind of things you need to buy in your life, so what kind of property you need to buy and is proper necessary to buy. So he will be covering each and every part in this book guys. So if you're a person who are planning to buy, you're planning to give a rent to apartment, you can go for it, you can read this book guys. So even this book he used to mention some investment tip guys. So I hope for beginners it's going to be helpful for you guys. So do check out this book guys. The first thing I want to share with you. The second thing guys, beginner's guide to stock market. So I know like probably first year students and if school students, they won't be knowing much about stock market, share market guys. So for that reason you might be like asking advices from the people who have like good knowledge in that, good experience in that. So instead of asking them, instead of running behind them, you can go to this book guys. So this book opens up much about stock market investing, how to invest money in stock market, what are the difficult advantages of investing stock market. You get a clear idea of the how to invest in stock market guys. So I hope this book helps you for the beginners guys. So this is the second thing I want to share with you. The third thing guys, Broke Millennia. So it's the best book guys. So this book addresses about the young investors. So even in this book they have authors shared about some examples with young investors who have a good knowledge in investment guys. So I feel like as a beginner you can go to this book guys, because in this book like the authors used a lot of examples over there. You can able to connect those examples in real life guys. So it's going to be helpful for you. In my opinion, I feel like you can read this book. It's the best book I have ever read in my life. The third thing guys, the only investment guide you will be ever need. So the best book guys. So in this book like author will be covering about the person who have a zero account in bank balance, so he started investing in life guys. So basically it's about life story investment guys. So I feel like it's going to be helpful for you. So reason because like you know like we are students, we won't be having any kind of money in your hand, so you will be covering like as a person from zero to billionaire. So it's about connecting between dots of zero to billionaire guys. I hope it's a beginner you can learn, you can go for it guys. The final book in my list guys, One Up a Wall Street guys. So it's the best book guys. So in this book like he reveals about each and every aspect of the life guys. So from poor, how poor deals with the money, how rich people deals with the money, and then like how poor people advises people, how rich people advises it. So it's all about like he just opens up each and every aspect of the life to how to invest, where to invest. So how kind of people, what kind of people will interested much guys. So it's all about like open talk. So I feel like you can go for it guys. But out of this 5, the third book like Broken Millennia is best book guys. So as a beginner you must read this book guys if you want to enter into financial aid. So best book guys. These are the 5 books in my list guys. So in this book, in this list I just read about 3 books. The first thing Broken, I read this book, and then One Up on Wall Street. So right now I'm reading out the book on rental house guys. So probably you just take 1 month of time to complete this book guys. So once I complete the books I'll make one more review video guys. So these are the 5 books I want to share with you guys. That's it from today's video guys. We'll meet you soon.